Welcome inside Rolex's Geneva Gold Foundry, where Swiss precision meets precious metals. If you're fascinated by luxury watchmaking at its finest, subscribe.
Maintain 1950 degrees Fahrenheit.
Confirmed. The composition analysis is reading 99.9% pure. This is the heart of the Rolex refinery in Geneva, where Swiss precision meets unparalleled security and scale.
Weight verification complete, 12.5 kilograms.
Confirmed. Proceed to biometric scan. Transfer successful.
The XRF confirms the 999.9 purity. We log the data directly into the secure authentication database before it moves to storage.
Scanning complete for row 7.
Confirmed. Database updated.
The readout confirms 750 purity at 500 grams.
Documented. We need 2 more for the Chronos order.
I'll prep the next batch now.
Make sure the coating is uniform across the lip.
Verified. Moving this batch to the furnace staging area now.
Confirm the white gold profile setting.
Set to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, maintaining the heating curve as requested.
The temperature is holding steady at the target.
Melt completion just crossed 80%. We are on schedule.
Temperature is precise.
Sensor readings verify uniform distribution. Homogenization achieved.
Slow the stirring.
Crucible 3 is showing a slight spike. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Holding steady at 2752. Tolerance remains good.
Okay, the cooling is complete.
Handing off the sample now for the OES analysis.
I have the calibration standards ready.
Look at that, exactly 75.0% gold. Wow.
Perfect match to the 750 specification.
That's amazing.
The lost wax process is critical. Here, the ceramic shell is built up layer by layer.
Watch the temperature on batch 48B.
It's holding steady at 1500.
The controlled cooling process is critical, ensuring the optimal material properties and structural integrity of the gold components. Demonstrating unparalleled precision, the 5-axis machines begin the intricate process of milling the 18-karat gold watch cases.
The tolerances on this run are exceptional.
Look at the consistency on that thread pitch. The tolerances on the movement mounting surfaces look perfect.
Sequence complete. We can prepare for extraction.
Look at this section here, the circularity is perfect. Yes, the green indicators confirm it across the board.
The raw value is well within tolerance at 0.08 microns.
Excellent. Log that for the Rolex batch.
As you can see on the display, the synchronization of the center and outer links is flawless.
Check the feed rate on machine 3.
Looks stable. We are holding the 1 millimeter spec perfectly.
We are seeing perfect synchronization on the Z-axis movement here.
Yes, the geometry is flawless according to the readout.
The internal geometry on these gold cases is extremely complex, but the AFM process handles it flawlessly. Look at that mirror finish. This bracelet is flawless, ready for approval.
Confirmed. The surface texture is perfect.
Applying the exact torque is critical. The digital wrench ensures the 18K gold case back compresses the Rolex.
To ensure waterproof integrity, each watch is pressurized to 10 bar, simulating depths of...
Smooth articulation confirmed on Unit 7.
The link movement is fluid, no binding detected here.
Pressure stabilizing at 10 bar.
Confirmed. No ingress detected.
Ready for spectrometry analysis on batch 7. The generators are reaching peak power, 15,000 Gauss. As you can see, the parachrome hairspring shows no degradation in timing.
The deviation is minimal, well within the ISO standard.
Confirmed. The movement remains stable after the impact sequence.
The cycle is complete, and the timing rates held steady.
Confirms performance across the extremes. We can finalize the report.
Once the tamper-evident seal is applied, The unique barcode is scanned into our global tracking database.
Scan complete on aisle 4.
Confirmed. Moving to the next pallet.
Scan complete. Container GDX12A is secured.
Confirmed. Digital tracking active. Bay door closing.
Seals are intact. 40 units confirmed on the manifest.
Yes, manager.
All right, Mr. Dubois, please sign for the release here.
Here is the manifest for the green dials.
Thank you. Let's cross-reference the serials immediately.
Ensure the spotlights highlight the luster of the gold.
We have the full collection ready for display now.
That is the most beautiful watch I've ever seen.
It's magnificent.
Yeah, a true investment piece.
Welcome to the boutique. We're delighted to have you here. Thank you. The new collection looks wonderful. Please, right this way to the private consultation area.
The craftsmanship on the President bracelet is exquisite and entirely handcrafted in our Foundry.
Feels incredibly solid.
Now,
As you can see here, the chronometer certificate confirms its precision, and your 5-year international warranty is now fully registered digitally.
Excellent, thank you.
A superb choice. Congratulations.
Thank you. Cheers.
Congratulations on your new timepiece. We hope you enjoy it.
Thank you so much. I absolutely love it.
Thank you so much for visiting the boutique today. Enjoy your timepiece.
I certainly will. The pleasure was all mine.
And as you can see, the chronometer is perfectly precise, exactly matching the atomic time.
To a successful partnership. Cheers.
I think this is the beginning of a very successful partnership.
We certainly agree. Thank you.
This watch represents our family's journey. Now it is your turn to wear it.
Thank you, Father. It means the world to me.
Here, master watchmakers meticulously restore each gold watch to factory specifications, ensuring lifetime performance.
Patina on the dial, is that entirely original?
Absolutely untouched. And as you can see, we have the original papers confirming the 1968 original.
Rolex maintains its own foundry, ensuring every ingot meets the 18-karat standard, whether yellow, white, or our exclusive Everose gold.